Yours still was the best when I hugged you and you had fucking needles sticking in your back.
I did. I got done. I saw needles hanging out all over the place.
I split my vest and took with the laces in and everything. My mom did all the stitching for me to stitch up the side and everything. I went and bought special needles for a sewing machine just for stitching leather.
Right.
I broke 3 of them.
Yep.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Boogie.
Is he still going at it, really? Jesus Christ, I fucking turned on, put on the fucking link, had a cigarette,
I think time's almost
finished
up.
off a beer, and you know how I drink. Tune up on the bike. And I changed that to the front end for me. Yeah, I changed the
6
front
down.
end.
9 to go.
Hey, thank you. You're welcome. Rotated the tires on your truck?
Oh,
good.
it really needed that. What are you doing to that?
What are you doing to that trip? You don't have to cry, man. It's all right. Hey, my prospect pack's still over there, man. You need it? Why are you sweating so much?
Hot.
Oh, phone. Hey, brother, you want your phone back yet? Oh, thanks. I'm gonna keep mine on. Okay.
I don't know, man.
You okay?
6.5 down.
It's nobody's fault.
Actually, I'm actually critiquing your paint job. Only because we're painting right now, and I want to see how well you meet the.
I drink. You don't.
It's
moving around.
Come
on, get it on.
Color right there, and I'm like, I don't know how to do it.
Don't stick yourself with us. Then get it on, not stick yourself.
Yeah,
We'll have to call you Needles Jr.
Yo. They said TJ.
That's some tough stuff, isn't it? If I'd have known what I know now, I would have had like a flannel or something, you know.
a jean jacket.
That leather stuff is tough.
Yes.
7:30 down.
We're halfway.
You're halfway there.
Hey, how's your timer, man? You're getting 2 minutes for every one on mine.
It ain't pretty.
You got it.
Yeah, and I had